Hi traders, welcome to this installation video for the Market Detective tool. So when you buy the product, you'll be sent an email which looks a little bit like this, as you can see on the screen. And what we're going to do is just simply read through this. So you've got a username, password, an installation guide and a link to your installer. So if you click on the link to the installer, you'll see a browser window pop up and you'll see this FX AlgoTrader package, which is a compressed zip file coming up. And if you save that to your machine, I'm just going to show you what this looks like a little bit down here. You'll see this little FX AlgoTrader package.zip is now saved to this machine. I'm going to show that in the folder, and you can see it. This is the package here, and if I double click on the package, I've obviously got a zip utility which automatically unzips files for me on my machine, so make sure you've got a zip utility installed. If you're looking for a free one, Google's 7-zip. You can either put this package in another folder if you want, anywhere where you've got rights access to on your machine, or you can just run it from the download folder if you want. So if we double click Market Detective, obviously make sure you've installed Java. I mean, you've got Java running on your machine, otherwise this isn't going to work. And if we go back into our email we received, we can copy and paste those user details. So username is MD customer. Just paste that in there. It's case sensitive, so just make sure you copy it correctly, or if you retype it, make sure you take that into consideration. And the password is 12345. So let's just pop those details in, and I can click remember login details, click login, and the interface now pops up on our screen. So that's all there is to it in terms of the installation process. Very straightforward. In terms of user guides, please refer to the videos on the product page which talk you through how to set up alerts and set email up and all that kind of stuff. So that's the installation process, very simple. The prerequisites: make sure you've got Java installed and make sure you have a zip utility so that you can unzip the compressed zip folder which is downloaded from the server. And that's all there is to it. Thanks very much for watching.